I have a feeling I'm gonna have to actually edit this video. Every percentage I gain is a percentage of sanity I lose. Nice.
Nice.
I'm starting to think it was a very bad idea to start recording before the map was even loaded in. I just realized it says Iowa Plains View on the screen right now. I don't know why it took me so long to figure that out. I've been recording for 5 minutes now, and I've been on this screen for like 7.
One eternity later.
There we go. Come on, shaders. Compile. Oh, there we go. Come on. There we go. Ooh. Hello. Oh, that's interesting. Hang on a minute. Look at the archway. This is Iowa's. Wow. This is nice. Up in the corner. Wow, look at the fields. This isn't really like a multi-farm map or anything, but I like this. Let me freeze the game for a minute as the construction menu interface loads. There we go. Oh, don't mind my render distance. Jesus. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we're in the backyard. I want the front yard. Look at the little carport and everything. This is cute. I could put my semi in there and my truck out front. It definitely needs like stepping stone walkways or something. Maybe some like gravel around the house. But ooh, propane tanks. We do not like propane generators. Not nice. I do like. Is this a custom? This has got to be a custom house or something, or at least the deck. But that's actually really neat. I like this. I feel bad because I would end up removing this and putting like one of the farmhouses here or something. But you can't really do that because it's not set up for that, because the garages would be like over here, or you'd have to put it sideways or something, and then it would interfere with that. I don't know. It's too bad you can't like, yeah, this isn't one of the houses you could go into. Ooh, these look familiar. Look at everything just like scattered out here. Okay. Oh, look at that. Same farm. This has got to be the same creator. Look at same silos and everything. Are you for real? Look at these greenhouses. Look more like glass houses to me. Okay, I've fully committed. I have to edit this video now. That's a very steep embankment. It'd be a shame if some lost control and swerved off the road. Actually, that is kind of weird. Is this what Iowa's like? They've got steps in their land? That's definitely not natural. Think of the money that must have cost to fill or digging or whatever. What is this? Hog confinement? Confinement? Look at all the vents.
Among Us!
These are literally all the same buildings from Missouri. Missouri. What's this one? Cows. Yeah, that's just the pole barn. I know that one. That's workshop. That's vehicle shelter. That's another pole barn. Please tell me you don't start off with all this land. I mean, like, surely. That's a nice map, though. Look at that. Oh, I thought there was going to be like a neat little underpass there. It's not. Jackson Farm. We buy your goods. I want to buy your...
And I want to buy your home!
Is that like a hayloft sort of deal? That's neat. I know I'm supposed to be reviewing the S10s right now, but as you can tell, I've gotten a little sidetracked. Ooh.
Ooh.
Are those? Those aren't actually on the map. So how do you... Maybe this is, but you're not allowed to... Yeah, I see what they did. They made a border out of it. Well, that's kind of cheap. They wouldn't do that in real life, just have a wall like that. Come on, what is this, the Mexican border? Hello, what's this? This whole thing is carpentry? Good lord. They could process an entire forest in 15 minutes. Look at the watchtower. Oh, that's gotta be fun to climb. Is there not one of those in Missouri? I don't think there is. I know there's one in Griffin, at least on 22. Look at this, like, little... Ooh. Look at this tiny little... That was kind of a big waterfall for this tiny little creek here. Where did this go? That's not the farm, is it? Nope. That goes into... Okay, they've got like a little lock here. Not a lock, but a gate. A gate that doesn't go all the way down. Look at... The water's all just going right underneath. Yeah, that cutout's way too far off to the side. If that closed, it would all just kind of go like right through there. I'd like to meet the civil engineer behind that one. That one's got a bottom to it. See, that's how they're supposed to be. That's how a lock or a gate is supposed to work. Nope, not quite. Look, you can still go underneath. There's no way that these were actually tailored to this map, but I've never seen these before. Yeah, look at... Is it on the other side? Yeah, it is to an extent. Look at the little walkway going through here. So now, what's this? Okay, water's going this way. So this has got to be... Yeah, this is like a dam of some sort, but this is all really neat around here. I don't even know what part of the map I'm on. Maple trees? Look at that. The buckets and everything. That's cool. I definitely got to go for a drive later. This is... What is this? Another... abandoned farm? You can't probably restore this, can you? You have to place your own building. Look at the fence falling in. Man, that would be a lot of work to try to fix. Oh, looks like something I'd do. So this is all like the actual, like, town. Okay, so that's the equipment store. A couple of houses. Oh, there's all the residential stuff. That's cool. I like how it's just Iowa High School. There's no, like, town or anything. It's just, like, named after the state. I definitely want to check this out. This is really cool. What is this place? Water. Oh, I bet this is a water... This is supposed to be a water-powered grain. So I wonder if that wheel spins when you actually have it running. Okay, so there's two S10s that I found. Oh, it was just taking forever to load. There we go. Hello. Cute little two-wheel drive S10. I like how stock has 300 horsepower because these S10s totally came with 300 horse. Built 470. Not the LS swap. Come on. Drag. What is this, Forza? Or
RuPaul's Drag Race.
a wheel setup. Let's see. Stock set 1. Old school with no H. Stock C10. IROC Camaro. Ooh, wait a minute. Why do the IROC wheels look good on an S10? Steely's. What? Why? Who? Why are the fronts wider than the backs? I'm sorry. What? Or, oh, brother.
I'm a scat man.
Ooh, mud tires. I don't like the rims though. Stock short bed. Bed liner short bed. Okay, roof short bed. Okay, camper shell. Camper shell's cool. I'll put the bed liner in there just to be cool. Bed accessories. Fishing. Oh, look at that. That's neat. Look at the beer in there. That's cute. That's real cute. Work set. Wow. Actually pretty nice. Bed cover. No. Sure. We put all the bed junk in there. Oh, Texas. I can't see what that says. That's also Texas. Hey, Iowa. Okay. Oh, it's in-game plates. That's why. Okay. Interior option. Sub with radio, phone, microphone, phone. Oh, there we go. Phone with dog. Okay. Jesus. Okay, fine. We'll do phone with dog. Now, what kind of dogs are there? It doesn't change. Interior color red, blue, gray, black. Red, blue, gray, or black. We'll do gray because you can see things better. Bass Pro Realtree. Hashi Racing. Yeah, this is Hashi's S10, by the way. No decals. Extra lights. Ew. I hate LEDs. Drag options. Built motor. Wing. Where's the wing? That's not a wing. That's a wheelie bar. How can you make a drag S10 and not know the difference between a wing and a wheelie bar? Where's the parachute?
A parachute! A parachute!
A parachute.
A parachute! A parachute!
Yeah, I'm not seeing it. Oh, there we go. These options are all over the place. The wheelie bar is the wing. Oh god, they really broke this, didn't they? Speedometer color, blue, purple, red, white. We'll do red. Empty. Rack. I wonder if that has straps. I'll have to look. Drop hitch. Snow plow. You're gonna snow plow with a 2-wheel drive S10. Drop hitch for snow plow. Okay. So, just because I'm curious about the rack, let's do that. Now, main color. We could do all sorts of things. Blue. I'm just doing all like the added ones that are in here, just so you can get kind of a feel for it. Yeah, something like that. Trim color, chrome, silver, white, black. That looks stripped down. Aluminum. Does not look like either. Billet silver. These are just like the colors and stuff like that. Okay, oh my gosh. And all of that, believe it or not, $5,000. Where did I get $1,900 from? The TSN S10 really dropping the frame rates. The rest of it looks a little less detailed, but it is a 4-wheel drive. Stock, again, 300 horsepower. Tow tune. Tune 550. Hot tune 690. Yeah, we'll do stock. Wheel setup. Stocks and streets. 5 stars and saw blades. You could put OBS rims on it. That's funny. Ew. Those are supposed to be all-terrains? I guess I'll run those, because I want to see what the tread on those actually looks like. Looks kind of weird without it. Trim. Wheel trim. Side trim, all trim, or none, we do all. Bed setups. Toolbox, dog box. Stick your pup in the crate, it'll be fine. Roof options. Ooh, taking a long time to load. Go light. CB whip. Why am I getting Bender
Listen,
from
you fat
Futurama
internet
vibes?
nerd!
Bull. Yeah, we'll keep those off. Do it for Dale. D. Boy. Cat. Farm use. Possum. Eat more possum. Stay on the porch. Massey. Heartbeat of America. That's a cool one. Ranch Hand. Actually fits pretty well, but it's very long on the sides. I don't know how I feel about that. Ranch Hand with a winch. Don't tell me it's going to do what I think it's going to.
Why are we still here?
Oh my god.
Just to suffer.
No.
Every
no,
night.
No. Drop or none. Wow, a lot of options there, huh? A lot of color options for this, aren't there? Oop. Can you... not paint this?
Fuck!
And then while I'm here, you get to watch me customize a few more things. I want to look at this Ford. It's a 250. It's a very weird looking and like very narrow looking 250. But beggars can't be choosers. If this sounds like a 6.9 IDI, I will take it wholeheartedly. Oh, God. No. Bed options. Roll bar. Cam lock or toolbox. Sled rack. I'm sorry, what? Since when does it have working ramps? It better. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna load a couple of quads or something up there. Sun visor. Bumpers, stock. Ranch hand. Bumper. Rear ranch hand. We'll go stock. We're men here. Attachers. Standard hitch with gooseneck, which you can't see, but it's in there. That is the tiniest ball hitch I think I've ever seen in my life. Do you see that? I don't think you can. Standard drop hitch. There we go. Farm hitch. We'll do the drop hitch. Now, main body. We've got... Ooh, the paint actually works on this one. I'll be darned. Commercial plates and everything. Because we are men. What flashed 900 horsepower? Did this thing have... This truck has 900 horsepower. I hope it's a lie. I gotta say, despite the fact that this one's actually four-wheel drive, I like the lowered one a little better. Not lowered, but two-wheel drive. Now these tread, is this an actual all-terrain? No, it is not. Those letters are lies. These are street tires. They're not BF Goodrich all-terrains. Hey, 1320. Fear of women. Jesus. There's no collision on you. Okay. We'll start with this one. Okay. It's just kinda... I can't put my light on here. .8 liter fuel injected V6. It's a tired old 350 Chev. I know this one had an LS swap option. That did not sound like an LS, let's be honest here. Signals work. Hazards work. Okay, let's go for a ride. See how fast 74 feels. Steering bad. Steering really bad. Let me try in first person. I could see which way my wheel's going a little better. Excuse my graphics, but What on earth was that? Is that this place? That scared the crap out of me. It didn't sound like people at first. Oh, lag. Oh, lag. Holy frame rates. Game breaking. Is this the shop here? You have to open this? No? Okay. Can you, like, not go in any of these? No, you can't. Oh my god, frame rates are terrible. Get in this one, I guess. Can't change the interior on this one either. You can just kinda... okay. Guess we're doing that. What do you sound like? Let me... zoom in on you. Just the stock V8 sounds in an S10. This doesn't have the badges on it or nothing. Let's take this for a rip, I guess. And the tint actually works, if you're wondering. Steering snappy in this one. Oh, but the lag is also very snappy. Signals do not work. Okay, that clearly didn't work. I like how that mirror is just like completely invisible. That car is going very fast. I'm doing 110 and I'm barely passing him. That's all she's got. Sweet frame rate. Hello. Oh, welcome back. You were sorely missed. Alright. Here's the Ford. Is that a dual exhaust tip? Are those true duals? Is that supposed to be the diesel badge underneath? It does say diesel. This has got to be an IDI. This has got to be a 6.9. Ooh.
Okay.
The inside looks better than the outside? How so? There's headlights. So I wonder, is the second one parking lights? Nope. I don't know what the second one does. So the third one, headlights. Well, let's fire it up. If your IDI sounds like that, ladies and gentlemen, you have serious problems. And no, the sled rack does not work. Frame rates are just overall bad in this area. Wow. Wow, the brakes really suck. Do we have signals? Signal left, signal right. Okay, we have signals in the front. We don't have signals in the back. It doesn't sound bad. This could easily be like a 460 big block. Wow, the suspension is really wobbly for a 250. Oop!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah, that's full brake right there. I'm a full street over from where I was supposed to be. My own personal street. Whoa! What was that? This thing just leaned into a turn like a motorcycle. Okay. Yeah, I definitely like this one better. That car definitely needs a retune though. Good grief. I never tested the horns on the rest of these. Oh well. Still fold it down. Do you still have straps? No straps. Okay. Who can cover? No way. Oh, that's so cool. I'm keeping this mod. That's so cool. That's definitely a V8. Okay. Close cover. Now what are these? No. That means you get. Oh. Look how stupid it looks. Oh, that's. I'm gonna start driving around like this. This is a cool place. I'm gonna get stuck under here. Nope. Wait for this thing to crank over for a half hour. This four-wheel drive. Wow. Oh, look at all-wheel drive burn out. That's awesome. Maple sap pancake. Ah, now they show up. So what's this? Maple syrup. Okay, so you need maple sap, which I assume you get from the other production there, and firewood. How do you make firewood? 20 water, 60 maple syrup. Okay. You have to actually harvest wood. Didn't have nothing. Let's do this.
Alright, a backhoe.
Interior looks at least as nice. I like how the buckets are just like moving around. Look at that, change driving direction like pro, and then use. Oh, just like real life. Wait, nope. Okay. This control right here, arm up and down, is definitely inverted. Here we go. 410 backhoe. Rear boom arm 1. So it's right bumper L. Right bumper L down. Okay. There we go. Oh yeah. Now watch this. Yep, scoop up, pull back, right back toward you, just like that. That's how you dig. That's how you dig. And it froze on me, didn't it? Come down, pull the stick in as you throw the bucket. Controls are definitely a little do their own thing. But what if I... Oh, it actually changes the driving direction too. That's pretty cool. They do not. And they make the bucket freak out. Change driving direction. Okay. It does, it works. Look at that. It's full already. Nice. And that side-to-side movement. Very slow. Pay attention to my joystick as I'm doing this. Now, all the way to the left. finally stopping there because it hit the side. Stopping. Can you tell I've run one of these before? It's almost like Gold Run.
Oh, come on! Pretty right now.
A good operator would most certainly not leave a pile of mess like this. A good operator always stacks his pile. So wait, the bucket only holds 1,000 liters? But the back bucket holds 2? Good bucket. Alrighty. There we go. Let me scoop.